Hello sisters! I want to draw a holy today. Birthday makeup inspiration comes from Beautiful Bad Woman Makeup by Tang Za Sui Kui, Beauty and Wisdom, and One Cold Daughter. Feeling a little light purple tone, there's the feeling of Christmas snow. His image is in all the novels I have read very three-dimensional. One of these. It's not a silly white and sweet heroine, she's really charming, but we still focus on the base makeup. But don't know, Dao base makeup is really like a porcelain doll because I am 1,000,000 years dry skin, so autumn and winter still prefer this moisturizing hanging foundation. You can hit the nose with your fingers first. Circle, massage. You like that's it. The translucent and shiny feeling is very obedient. I'm going to draw a very thin eyebrows. We'll have that kind of coldness. Use the retro feeling first, gray-brown, to base roughly to draw the shape of the eyebrows. Then brush the brown eyebrow cream as a whole. The grooming part doesn't really need to be too heavy because his appearance is to give people a kind of clarity. Pure and gentle feeling is such a reaction. Bad is lethal. Let's use this one to bring a little ash fell off as a base. The overall smudge range of eyeshadow today is okay. Eyes are a little bigger now. Then use this belt, the coffee color, and small ranger added deep instead emphasizes the front and back half of the eyes. Dark brown to superimpose lashes, root end of eye. It feels a little bit upwards. Deepen the lower eyeliner a little. Fish meal outlines aegyo saliva. Then we use this little flash from this plate. Brighten up the aegyo sal. I want to dip a little bit of this. Apply some purple to the middle of the double eyelids. Then we put on double eyelid stickers, ladies in our eyes. The rear section, brighten the thick weight and relatively slender. I want to use this deep. The color deepens the end of the eyes a little bit. Let's use this pink one, the position of the human apple muscle, the color of the finished face. We can also use it after makeup. Tidy up the details on the face. Make the whole makeup surface cleaner. Then the lipstick chooses a human and animal. Harmless, boiled water is called lip glaze.